Welcome to today's episode of Walk With Me, where I try to find Whitehouse Village. Oh, what are they doing? Okay, cool. Hello, hello. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, what am I doing? Road. Ah, it's on the plane. Hello. Whitehouse better in your natural. Alright, thanks. Okay, guys. I am going to be walking the Whitehouse to Whitehouse Village. I am not even sure how far this place is or if it is walkable. But I am going to attempt it. So, bless the Lord. You know, some should have went, how may I go do this? You know, some should have went take a picture of the White House sign, Whitehouse Village sign. Excuse my language. Why didn't I do that? I should have done that. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to get it now. But yeah. What's this? I have no idea what that is. I am going to need to put up my umbrella because this phone is going to heat up. So give me a minute. I was planning on doing this walk here to Whitehouse Village. The White House in Montego Bay, that is, on Saturday. But then my dad and my sister were saying, like, yeah, sure you want to walk that road? It's kind of lonely. Anyways, I said, you know, I'm just going to say a little prayer and do the walk. And I'm praying right now that everything will be well. But then my tummy started hurting me on Saturday, and then the rain started falling, started raining, and then I just changed my mind. I decided to stay in my yard. Then I decided, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to put up a poll. Well, I'm going to ask a question under my community tab to see if some people can give me some ideas. Some of my subscribers, some of my viewers would give me ideas as to where they would like me to go next. And you know, so somebody said White House. I don't remember who. I'll put the name here. But somebody actually suggested me going to Whitehouse Village. And I'm like, are you serious? The place that I was planning to go. So I was supposed to do this walk with me on Monday. That did not work out, so I am here Tuesday now doing the walk with me. Oh, look, is that the sea? That's like marshland, right? I'm seeing mangroves. All right, so the idea is why I'm really doing this. Never been to this area, don't know how long the journey is going to be. Why me I see fuck in the road? Oh Lord God. Suppose me go and me no know me I go farther. Me no know me I go, me no know which. Oh, I want roundabout. Okay. I was about to freak out. Anyways, what was I saying? I don't even remember what I was saying. What did I say? I don't recall what I was saying. Anyways, please really looking so you can actually see the Rose Hall main road. Can you see it? Yeah, this is a bridge that I'm standing on. And are those lilies? This is really pretty. I'm telling you some I love greenery, not true? Oh my gosh, look on the flowers. Look there. Ah, nature. I do enjoy these walks. I really do. Especially when the place is cool. It's not cool today, it's sunny, but I have my house and land umbrella. This is an old Texaco station. It looks like it as a Texaco. It looks abandoned. I love how people like just stare. Look, look. You see the airplane? Oh, that was what I was saying. That was what I was saying. I was saying earlier that the real reason I decided to do this walk, why I wanted to do the walk, is because I wanted to see I wanted to see the airport, right? Sangster International Airport. I already did a walk with me through the airport property, the outside. I wasn't able to go on the inside. And some of my subscribers, some of my viewers were suggesting that I do an update on the project that is going on at the airport, the expansion. I cannot do an update and not show some kind of construction work. And last year when I wanted to do a video on the airport, or was it earlier this year, I sent an email requesting permission, and no one responded to that email. So I was thinking, okay, what's our workaround? So I was thinking, what was the workaround? I was in a vehicle, a taxi, and there was a lady there. I was asking the taxi driver about the area. And the lady at the back of the vehicle said to me, look, you won't be able to see it if you go on the airport compound. If you can only see the building, if memory serves me correct. I think she said you can only see the building if you are actually traveling. No. If you're actually traveling. And she said, there are other ways you can see it. You could probably go on the Whitehouse Road and see if you'd be able to see the terminal from there, the construction from there. So that is why I am doing this video. But of course I didn't know if it was the end of the walkway. Oh God, it's hard. I may have chat fast. See another plane there. Oh my God! Guys, I really changed my mind. I'm sorry for screaming. I'm sorry for screaming. I just realized something. I like airplanes. Okay, I've always known that. But that was scary. Oh, sorry, excuse my language. Oh my God. I almost had a heart attack a while ago. Why was that so scary? I don't. Oh God. So I'm gonna walk down this way. I don't even know which direction you would go for to go to the White House. Anyways, so aircraft operating, area restricted, no access. All right. No parking, no walking, no standing in this zone. So I'm assuming that's across the fence. I don't know if you know that on YouTube they have all kind of videos, and they actually have videos where they focus on air crashes, problems that happen while people are in the air or whatever. And me fi tell you say, those videos have unlocked a new fear. I don't know if I would say unlocked a new fear. I don't know if you'd say it is a new fear. Because I think I've always had a fear of flying, somewhat, to some extent. But I think I have a fear of flying. I have a fear of airplanes, full stop now. I'm glad I decided to walk. I don't even know if this is the road to Whitehouse or it's the other road. That other road there at the intersection. Probably when I walk back around and go to that side, because I see a lot of buildings. I don't know if that's Whitehouse Village. Is that a community? Yeah, anyways. But I am walking here and may I imagine one crash. Oh God, why do my mind go to these places? Why does my mind go to these places? Like, why would I think about that? Anyways. This is it. I can actually hear the vehicles on the Rosal main road, and I wonder if I walked over on that side, if I would still be able to see all of this, because over that side looks a lot more interesting to look at. I mean, a pear bush over here, so mind you, I like bush, but for you guys, you know, so you're not bored watching all of this, hearing me talk about crap. Water come up right now, and vehicles are actually coming as well, and you know, nobody splash me up. Do I wait? Oh gosh, back to back, 2 vehicles. All right, vehicle number 1 pass. Good. Staring at me. Ah! Oh my God! Watch this one here. I drive fast. If I ever splash me for some beat, you take it like I can boot. Yeah, so as I was saying, if I had walked to the other side, I'm assuming there'd be much more to see. That looks like a village over there, a community. I guess that's the Whitehouse Village that they're referring to. Oh my God, oh my God. Race and no other plane no take off, please. Frontier, I see Frontier taxiing on the runway. Oh my God. I have a confession to make. I don't know, I think some of me a scaredy cat, but I'm kind of afraid. Like, oh my God. I may just cut this out. Because I don't know, it's like, when I watch some of them videos there, and the way how everything kind of just, Something not so what I was about to say. Shut up. Shut up. I think we're almost there. Excuse me. That vehicle looks like an ice cube. Mud. See that? Alright. I see JDF people. And if them are gonna stop me from recording, yeah, so hope they don't. Just leave me alone. I ain't recording you. Look at the runway. See it? See it? See it? Birdies. How far does this road go? Like, does it take me back out? Does it take me back out? There's so many cars parked along the way here. Let me not say anything and draw any attention to me. Baby bird, kitty. Wait. This let's take us back onto the road. Where does this take us back to? You see that? Where are we? I want me to come back all the way around to you, sir. Oh, I'm there. Yeah, because isn't that the highway I'm seeing? The Rosal Main Road? Somebody can come off here, sir? That's what you want to tell me? You don't want to tell me something I never need fee? No, okay. Now that we're back so close to the Rosal Main Road, you really think something if you want to go up back on the road there and go over there so for sure no village? Guys, you don't really think something gonna do that? It's healthy, right? It's healthy. And I'm not really seeing any construction here, so probably I should do it, right? It take me right back. It take me right back out here, so. You serious? No, I'm not gonna record the journey, go back around. I'll probably put that part in another video, yeah? Come in and really see not much here, so. I'm gonna welcome. I am Jet Center. I'm gonna go walk on the people them property. Oh, I was looking at this building and wondering about it. Alright, so that's it. That's it. This takes us back to the highway. The main road. Rosal Main Road. Cool. Learned something new today. Did not know that. So I am going to go back around. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. It's 17 minutes walking on this road here. I'm glad that I decided to walk rather than drive. Get to see a lot more. So I'm gonna go over to the side there. So over there, sir, I'm gonna walk the road there. Which means I have to go all the way back up on this road and then go back around and walk all the way there. And then come back around and walk over to the front. Or hopefully I can get a taxi over to that side. So see y'all in the next video. Click over to that one if I upload it already. Anyways, bye.